In today's video, let me show you how to use Goodreads to find book recommendations by genre. So if you're trying to look at or find different recommendations according to the genre that you're interested in, all you want to do is head over to the Discover tab that you'd be able to see on the bottom of the screen once you're inside of the app of Goodreads. Now, once you're inside of this section, all you want to do is scroll down a bit and tap on the Show More List section. As soon as you tap on this section, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be able to see different genres that are available. So you can simply tap on the more option and explore all of the genres that are available. So let's say if you are interested in a fiction, you can simply tap on the fiction option, and within a particular genre as well, you're going to get different categories such as best books ever, or books that everyone should read at least once. All of these categories that you can explore. Similarly, you can also do the same for other categories or genres as well by simply heading over to these options. So by following this exact process, you'd be able to use Goodreads to find book recommendations by genre. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.